What's up and welcome back to the garage. This video is the second part of a video about changing the boot rubbers for Hyundai Getz Driveshaft. So if you haven't seen the first video, watch it from there and then you know what I'm talking about. But first we will unbox this and we check if we got the right parts. And after that, before we install this into the car, we will put this drive shaft back together here on the table. Now the drive shaft is ready. There's new boots on both sides and these clips are a little different from the original ones. I had a small challenge to put them on, but they should be now okay. And all these boots, both boots are filled with grease. So now the drive shaft is ready and now we just have to put it on. Job done. So now there is a drive shaft with the new boots on and I also filled the gearbox oil. So now there's also right amount of oil in the gearbox. It did a little bit time, but I think I saved a lot of money to do this by myself. So thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and some comments. And if you haven't already subscribed this channel, please do that. See you soon.